All right, so if you're a mobile app developer and you've been wondering what's next for your career, then this explainer is definitely for you. We are going to map out your path to taking your skills global. So yeah, let's get right into it.
And really, it all starts with this one big question. Are you ready to take what you do, your development skills, and go international with them? Because, as we're about to see, the opportunities out there are way bigger than you probably think. And look, this isn't some far-off, distant dream. This is happening right now. The truth is, the world is practically screaming for your exact skills, which has opened up this incredible world of possibilities. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into. Okay, first things first. Let's dig into the why. We're going to explore this massive global demand for app developers and really understand why your skills are basically a golden ticket on the world stage right now. So what's behind all this? Well, it's a huge shift that's happening, well, everywhere. Think about it. From banking and shopping to entertainment and healthcare, pretty much every single industry is going mobile first. And that digital transformation, it puts your skills right at the very heart of the global tech economy. All right, so we've established the demand is huge. Now for the fun part. Let's pull out the treasure map and take a look at where the top spots for developers actually are and, what kind of salaries you can expect to see. So who are the big players? Well, at number one, you've got the United States, which is just this vast market with tons of tech hubs. Then there's Canada, where the tech scene is absolutely exploding and their immigration policies, super welcoming. Germany is a real powerhouse, especially for enterprise apps. The UK is a major hub in Europe, and Australia, well, it offers an incredible quality of life and there's always a high demand for IT pros. Each one has something really special to offer. And now let's talk money, because these numbers are wow. I mean, look at the US. We're talking an average of $120,000. And Australia and Canada are right up there with really competitive pay. It just goes to show your skills aren't just wanted, they are really well paid. Okay, so we know the why and the where. Let's switch gears and talk about the what. As in, what essential skills, education, and certifications do you need to pack in your toolkit to really shine on the global stage? It all starts with the basics, right? Whether you're all in on iOS, mastering Swift and Xcode, or you're an Android pro who lives in Kotlin and Android Studio. Knowing your platform inside and out, well, that's totally non-negotiable. That's the foundation everything else is built on.
But hey, the best international employers, they're looking for more than just the basics. They want developers who can take a design and make it a beautiful, functional UI, who are masters at debugging, and who get the whole ecosystem, integrating APIs, working with cloud services like AWS or Azure, managing databases, and of course, being a pro with Git for version control. That's what really makes you stand out.
So what about a degree? And look, a killer portfolio is essential, no doubt. But having that bachelor's degree in computer science or something similar, man, that can be a real game changer, especially when it comes to the visa process. It's often that formal checkbox you need.
So you want to make your profile really pop? Certifications are an amazing way to do it. First, think about grabbing a platform certification, like Google's one for Android devs. Next, get an Agile certification to show you thrive in a team environment. And to finish it off, a cloud certification from AWS or another big player proves you can handle the backend. These steps can make you a much, much stronger candidate. Okay, your toolkit is packed and ready to go. So let's get into the nitty-gritty, the how-to part of this adventure. We're going to break down the whole immigration thing and make it way less intimidating. One of the main ways people do this is through what's called a skilled worker program. Yeah, it sounds super formal, I know, but don't let the name scare you. It's usually just a point system where countries score you on things like your age, your education, and your experience. And the best part? As a developer, your skills give you a massive head start. And that's not the only way in, not by a long shot. Besides those point systems in places like Canada and Australia, you could get a company to sponsor your visa, or look into these really cool specialized tech visas, like the UK's Global Talent Visa. There are even options for entrepreneurs. There are a bunch of different ways to use your skills to make the move. Whew, okay, so we've covered the demand, the best spots to go, the skills you need, and how to actually get there. Now let's look to the horizon and see why this career is such a great choice, not just for today, but for a long, long time. Let me just be super clear about this. Your career is seriously solid. It's about as future-proof as it gets. Companies everywhere are just continuing to pour money into digital transformation. That means your skills aren't just a nice to have, they're a fundamental part of how the modern world works. talk about job security. And if you think today's cool, just wait. The future is going to be wild. The next big wave is already rolling in. We're talking AI and machine learning built right into apps, creating mind-blowing AR and VR experiences, and connecting pretty much everything with the Internet of Things. These frontiers are going to keep that demand soaring. So when you boil it all down, it really comes to this one thing. The demand for your skills is undeniable, the opportunities are absolutely massive, and the future is incredibly bright. The world needs your code. The only real question left is, where are you going to write it?